The binary value is 100. Last digit 0 is called the sum bit. 10 is called the carry bit. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Sai Suriyas Academy. If you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. In today's video, we are going to discuss about binary multiplication. This binary multiplication can be done in 4 simple steps. Step 1, you want to know about the simple binary multiplication rules. In step 2, you want to know about simple binary addition. Before solving binary multiplication, you want to know about simple binary addition. That is addition which consists of only 2 rows. If you want to know, check my previous video, binary addition. The link will be given in the I button. Okay. In step 3, you want to know about binary addition with multiple rows. When this can be effectively useful means, suppose if we want to multiply with a 4-digit binary, then you want to add a 4 rows, more than 4 or 5 rows. At that time, you want to know about binary addition with multiple rows. When solving example 2 and 3, I can explain it in detail. In step 4, by knowing all these rules, then you can able to solve any type of examples of binary multiplication. Okay, now moving on to video. The first step, step 1, binary multiplication rules. This is a simple 4 steps which is very similar to decimal multiplication. Binary multiplication, as the name implies, it consists of only zeros and ones. Binary consists of only zeros and ones. The other digits are not allowed. These and all the basic steps we had already known. So, for zeros and ones multiplication, the rules are very common as to decimal multiplication. Rule number 1, 0 into 0, which is 0. Rule number 2, 0 into 1, which is also 0. Rule number 3, 1 into 0, which is also 0. That is, any number when multiplied by 0, it is 0. And rule number 4, 1 into 1, the sum will be 1. These are the simple binary multiplication rules. Then what about the binary addition rules? After solving example 1, we will discuss in detail, that is how to handle a sum bit and how to handle a carry bit. Okay. In example 1, consider 1001 into 111. We are going to multiply as normal multiplication 1001. After placing one digit, again multiplied by second digit 1001, again one more 1, so 1001. We are multiplying by first digit, second digit and third digit. We are getting 3 rows. Now we have to add the last 1. 0 plus 1, you will be getting 1. Again in next row, 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1. Again 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And again 1. We are having only 1. So the 1 is placed here. Now the value is 111111. That is 6 ones we are having. This is the simple example. That is the example which does not has any carry bit. So before moving on to example 2 and 3, you want to know about the table. Already the binary addition with multiple rows has been discussed in my previous video. If you want, check in the link will be given in the I button. If you want, you can check and come to the next part solving the example 2 and 3. But in briefly, I can explain what is the idea behind that. Consider this table decimal to binary. Here 0 to 7 values are given, the decimal values are given, and their concerned binary values are given. So if you doesn't know how to convert a decimal to binary, it is also given in my previous video, decimal to how to convert a decimal to binary. The link will be given in the I button. So briefly I am telling, 0 for 0 it is 0, for 2 it is 10, for 7 111. So no more discussion about this table. Now when we want to add a binary rows, that is multiple rows, consider a value 2 or a 3, consider 2. The value is 10. For 2, the decimal value, the binary value is 10. So 10, here the last digit 0 is called the sum bit and the next digit is called the carry bit. You want to remember this detail. And consider 4. 4 for 4 decimal value, the binary value is 100. For this 100, the last digit 0 is called the sum bit and then the next 2 bits 10 is called the carry bits. Similarly for 5, 101, the last one is called the sum bit and the next 10 is called the carry bit. Okay, now moving on to example 2. By knowing these details, we want to apply all those details here. Consider a example 11,011 into 1101. We want to multiply. As per the normal multiplication, the 4 rows are placed. For the first digit, 1 it is multiplied. Again, in the second digit, 0 it is multiplied. And then next third 1 digit is multiplied. Again 1. Again the numbers are placed. No explanation is needed, I think. Only the second digit is called 0 is 0. So zeros are placed here. Others, the numbers are repeated here. So when we want to add the first digit, that is the last digit, we will be adding starting from the right to the left. So 1 is placed here. Here in the red color it is represented the decimal value. For your understanding, I had written a decimal values so that by using the table we can directly substitute the binary values. So for 1, the decimal value is 1, its binary value is also 1, it is placed here. And then in the next value, 1 plus 0, which is 1. Similarly, in the sum bit, the 1 is placed. Next, 0, 0, 1, 1 here, the 1 is placed here. Again in the next column, 1 plus 1, we are getting a decimal value 3. For decimal value 3, the binary value is 1, 1. So the last digit 1 is placed here and then again the carry bit for 1, 1, in the 1, 1, the first digit is taken as a carry bit and is placed in the next column. Again, with this carry you have to add the next column. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, which gives again 3. So 1, 1 has to be placed. 1 is placed as sum bit and then the carry bit, another 1 is placed here. So it's adding this carry bit 1 plus 1, which is 2. For 2 the decimal value, the binary value is 10. So 0 is placed here. Again 1 plus 1, which gives the decimal value 3. 1, 1, its value is 1, 1. So 1 here. Again 1 is placed here. Again in the last row, 1 plus 1, which gives 2. 2 value is 1, 0. So 0 placed here. And then next 1, which is written here as a carry. So the 1 which has no more digits to add. So the 1 can be placed as it is. So for the binary multiplication value 11011 into 1101, you will be getting the answer 1010111111. This is the answer. This final product is called the sum. So I am representing this last digit as a sum bit and this as a carry bit. This is written here sum, carry here, and then here it is sum bit, and here this red color is written These values are called as the decimal values. Suppose when we are clear with this example, before moving on to example 3, you can pause the video and you can solve the example on your own and then check with the answer. Okay. Now moving on to example 3. For your clear understanding, I had not written any zeros. It is fully covered with all ones. 1111 5 ones we are having multiplied by 1111 4 ones. So the numbers are placed here. There is no need of explanation for this multiplication. Now we want to add. Using the decimal to binary table, we want to substitute. The decimal value is found and we want to substitute the value. And in the substitution also, the sum and carry bit, what I had told you earlier, the last digit as the sum bit and the next 2 bits will be as the carry bit. This has to be followed. Okay. The last digit 1, it is placed as it is. The next digit 1 plus 1, which is 2. For 2, its value is 10. So 0 placed here. Again 1 is placed here. For variation, here in the carry bit, different layers are used with different colors. So you can get clarity where I had left 2. For 2, 1 0 0 here, and then again 1 placed here, and then in the next column you have to add the carry bit with the other digits. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4 ones you are having. So 4 here. For 4 decimal value, the concerned binary value is 100. So for 4, the 0, the last bit 0 is placed here. Again in the next 2 columns we have to place the 10. So 0 is placed here. Again in the next column, this blue color 10, which is placed here. For your representation, it is written as a next layer with a different color, that is 10. Okay. Now already we are having a carry 1 for the digit 2. Now for the digit 4, we are having another 10. So we want to add all those carry columns with the next columns, that is the digits, binary digits. So 0 plus 1 plus 1 2 3 4, 4 ones, 4 plus 1 5, the decimal value is 5 and their concerned binary value is 101. So 1 is placed here and then 10, which is written in the red color. Already this blue color 10 is for the previous digit 4. So for this 5, this red color 10. So again next digit we have to add 1 plus, here we are having 3 ones. Again 4 value is found. For 4, 100. So 0 as sum bit. Again 10 as the carry bit. This next blue color 10 is called for the 4. For 4, the next 10 placed here. Again, in the carry bit, 0 plus 1, which gives 1, 1 plus 2, which gives 3. For 3, 11 value. So 1 is placed here. Again, this red color 1 for 3 is placed here. In the carry, we are having 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 plus 1. Here we are having only 1 ones. So 1. 2 plus 1, which gives 3. The value is 1 1. So 1 is placed here and the carry, the final 1 digit. Here there is no other digits to add. Hence we are placing the carry bit at the last, the 1. And finally there is no digits to add. So the 1 can be placed as it is as the last one can be placed as the first digit. Okay, that is the binary addition. Today a small recap. First we want to know about the binary multiplication rules. Then without carry means then it is as it is same as the decimal multiplication. When you are not having any carries, when you are having very simple rows, the decimal multiplication, you can able to do the same method you can do here. Suppose when we are having a carry or when we are going to multiply with more than 3 or 4 digits, then the concerned decimal value has to be found. You want to remember this table, or you can solve by on your own and find the value. This is very simple only. We want to substitute the concerned binary digits, and in the concerned binary digits, the last digit is called the sum bit, and the other digits has to be taken over as a carries, and then the binary addition has to be done. By knowing binary addition with multiple rows, it will be very easy for you to solve this binary multiplication. Hope if you find this video is useful for you, share this video with your friends. Share a small comment about this video. Okay, that's all for today's video. Keep supporting Sai Suriyas Academy. Thank you. We'll meet you all in next video. Thank you.